What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back for another video, and it's not a racing video today. As you guys can see by the title, it is an install video for you guys, for all my new people out there with Mustangs. Want to get these few parts installed and getting your car looking right? I got you. As you guys can see, got a huge freaking side skirt extension actually right there. I'm on my way to my boy's house right now. He's actually going to be helping me install this. Should be a pretty easy install from like what I think it's going to be, and if not, then looks like we're going to be running into some stuff, but nothing that we can't figure out, you know. So yeah, that's what the whole point of this video is today. Get a cool install video for you guys, and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks when we get there. Right now, you know, trying to shift and record this is kind of, you know, a little hard, but yeah. So my plan is install this for you guys, show you guys a little tutorial, pretty easy, pretty fast forward. Hopefully it's nothing too crazy, but yeah. So I'll pick you guys up when we get there so I can actually show you guys how it looks. All right, you guys, so pulled up to my boy Jerry Twig's house. Got the side skirts right here, unboxed them already, and he's right there. He's actually the mechanic out here. He's been doing a lot of stuff. He's gonna be my guy to come to now, because the build's just getting started, huh, bro? Exactly. So yeah, so right here on the side skirts, this is actually, I think it's labeled right here on the side. So it says, I don't know if the camera picks it up right there, but it says RTR side skirts for 15 and 18. I guess it's for 15 and 18. So I'm pretty sure this will fit 15 to like 20 models, but comes with some few bolts. I brought some extra ones just in case. And then here they are. I'm gonna truly unbox them right now in a little bit, but basically we're gonna be lifting the car up. And as you guys can see, when I was talking about on my way here, so these are the main piece that the car comes with right away, and it's just like a simple just side skirt like that, nothing too crazy. But with these, since it's a side skirt extension, it's actually gonna go right under these, and it's gonna make them pop out a little more, so give a more lower type of look, even though still not low. Look at that wheel gap, that thing is terrible. But for the meantime, yeah. So let's get started with this install. I'm gonna unbox this completely. We're gonna lift up the car, and yeah, try to make it as easy as possible for you guys if you guys want to pop yourself some side skirts. All right, boys, so first thing, obviously lift up the car. Make sure you guys are taking your safety precautions. I'm not sure if we are, but you know, we get in there. But yeah, this is how the side skirts extensions look like. See if the camera picks it up. You guys can see the little like circles right there that you could just get the nuts and literally screw them on. Seems pretty easy. My mechanic over here thinks it's pretty easy. He thought it was gonna be way harder, so I guess it's not gonna be a super hard install at all. But yeah, so you guys can see right here, it's got all the holes already lined up for you guys. See if I can give you guys like a sort of type look. It's gonna be basically like that. So it's gonna give it like a nice little side extension. It's gonna look pretty dope, and don't think it should be too hard. Another thing also that is super cool is that they actually have them labeled. As you guys can see, the side skirt L stands for the left side. Obviously the other one has the R. And yeah, so I think this is gonna be a pretty cool piece exactly when it's lowered and everything's coming along cool. So slowly but surely she's getting there. And these weren't all expensive at all. We'll have them linked in the description, but let's just get started with this install, because it's pretty hot out here. So faster we do it, faster we finish. So let's get it. We actually found out that literally there is no type of like little holes or anything that you could honestly line up just factory to this. You're gonna have to just screw it on straight to this little plastic piece right here. So I mean, if you guys are scared, you guys are gonna have to drill some holes in for the side skirt extension. I guess this piece might not be exactly for you, but me, I personally don't care, because who's gonna go under my car and say like I have like screws in here or holes if I decide to take it off one day or something, which I'm pretty sure I won't, because I really wanted this piece. But yeah, it's honestly pretty straightforward. I thought it was gonna be more like take off this piece and then line it up exactly like how the front splitter was, but no, this one's literally just screwing the bolts and those holes into this little plastic piece right here. See how it's all flat, and you're literally all set. So yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little harder, but I guess not. Because guys, I don't know if you guys remember, if you guys are also new, we did this Performance Pack 2 front splitter install with my dad, and we actually, it was pretty easy too. It was super easy because all we had to do was basically just line this up with this factory one, and the holes literally lined up perfectly. So that's why I kind of thought maybe getting this piece was gonna be the same thing, but no, I guess this is just screwing the bolts into the plastic and you're all set. So I mean, pretty easy. So literally we're already like halfway through. You guys can get a little idea on how. So it's pretty simple. Like I told you guys, the mechanic out here is drilling it because he's an expert, so kind of just holding it for him right now. But yeah, you just make your way down right here, line it up pretty good. Make sure that this is lined up solid with this little piece right here, because that will probably be the only piece that literally needs to be lined up like perfect. But other than that, you just go straight down, put the bolts in, and you're set. Finished up this side already, super quick, super easy. As y'all can see, it basically just sticks out a little more, but it literally looks like factory. It looks like if it was a part of this whole thing. But it was super easy, honestly. Just screw on the bolts under the plastic part and you're all set. We're gonna go hit the other side real quick, and after that, that's literally it. It's a pretty easy install, so let's get it. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and finish this side. Guys, look at this. This looks freaking good. A little piece just like this really makes the whole car stand out. It's just a side skirt extension, boys, but man, this thing looks freaking good. And literally, I didn't even have to record a whole lot of the install because it's literally just, let's go under here. It's literally, look, just the bolts right there. The bolts literally go into the holes that are already made, which you get in the mail. They're already made into this, and you literally just screw on the bolts. But man, look at this. This looks freaking good. I'm gonna show you guys later when I actually go to the spot, so I can give you guys a whole walk around. But with this Performance Pack 2 splitter and now the side skirt extensions, bro, it looks freaking OEM. It just looks like it fits. That was like a missing piece. Oh my god, super good, guys. Super easy install. You guys have to get this for your guys' car. If you guys have an 18 and up, I say 18 and up because I don't know, I just love the 18s and up more. So, but you could obviously get it on the 15s, I guess. It says from the side, but man, that looks freaking good. All right, but guess we're done now. Gonna lower the car now, go home, maybe change, and just pick this up later so I can show you guys a good walk around on how it looks at a good spot. But shout out to my boy Jerry Twig, you know, did all the hard labor out here, but it looks freaking good, boys. So yeah, all right, boys. All right, you guys, picking up the video. I told you guys like I was gonna come to the little spot, and looks like we're here. Sun is hitting just right. Just got the sunset just in time, and she's looking freaking amazing, guys. Look at this. So I saw a comment that said that I wish you would have showed us with the rim. Sorry guys if I didn't show you guys when I got the brake calipers done, but this is basically how they look, guys. They look freaking amazing, super good. Like I'm telling you guys, they look OEM, like if it was like off a Shelby or something, but they look freaking good. And yeah, so the whole purpose of this video though, and the reason why I came to this spot, is to show you guys the actual side skirts. As you guys can see right here, see if I could try to get it more from this angle. So this is the factory one. This is the piece that we actually installed today, and it's literally just simple bolts and just screw it right under here, the plastic, and it looks freaking amazing, guys. Like you guys don't understand how good this piece looks with the Performance Pack 2 splitter. Oh my god, if you guys don't have that, guys, grab these and these on an 18 and up. It looks freaking amazing. I'm just like staring at it right now, and it's looking so good. Cause like for the price, guys, like look at this. That looks freaking, and it even gives it like a more lower appearance, even though I'm obviously not on springs or anything. Oh, look at that nasty wheel gap. But yeah, look at this, guys. It looks freaking good. Like it just ties up so good together, and I totally recommend it, guys. For literally $100, that extension was $100. The Performance Pack 2 was $100. Super worth it, guys. I know it might be a little pricey maybe, but man, this thing looks so freaking mean. Like, I look at cars 18 to 20, these 5.0s, and I see them without the Performance Pack 2 splitter, and it's just not the same to me no more. I'm just like, man, they need to hop on that, get that right away, because it just doesn't look the same. Once you put this one on, or any type of different splitter, it just does not look the same. But guys, let me know what you guys think. This thing looks freaking amazing. Super easy install. Honestly, we probably took like 10-15 minutes trying to just put this, and literally super easy. Guys, I'm happy to say that this gets a pass, man. She's coming along super really. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do, and we're not even halfway done. Like, we still got so much more stuff to do with this car too, but I really just can't believe it. Like, this is my car and it's coming along so nice, man. Looks so good. But yeah, guys, like I said, just admiring it. Look at that, looking so good from every angle. That has to probably be the thumbnail right there. But anyways, guys, yeah, like I said, I wanted to make this video for you guys. If you guys are interested, I've been wanting to get this piece for such a long time, since I bought my car and I found out that you could actually do this exactly with the Performance Pack 2 splitter. It's just coming along so good, and I'm just super happy how this whole car is coming along. Honestly, this video was super easy for you guys to follow. I mean, I didn't really record a bunch of like us really installing it, because it's literally super simple. It's just put the bolts in the holes that are already made for it and just screw it right here to the plastic piece on the bottom, and you're all set. So it doesn't take a genius to do it. I believe in you guys. You guys can do this too. Super easy. And yeah, let me know how it goes. I will have a link in the description. Like I said, guys, it's gonna run you about $100, but man, it's $100 worth it. Front splitter and the side skirts extensions, oh, looks freaking killer. I love it. But yeah, guys, just a short little video for you guys. More racing content coming out. I've seen you guys have been crushing it with all that. I love it as much as you guys do, and thanks for tuning in. If you guys are still watching this video, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, because more stuff is coming, so don't worry, boys. But yeah, I'll see you on the next time. Peace.